I would love to introduce myself. My name is Aisha Rose Melody Hassan, and I am an architect, alchemical healer, and the creator of the Sacred Blueprint. This is a cutting-edge vessel of courses and programs for women architects and landscape architects, as well as men or women, property owners or land stewards who are ready to birth the sanctuaries of our new earth by bridging spirit with form. So here's how to get started with the Sacred Blueprint. For the high achieving, spirit conscious women architects out there who are fed up with the grind and stress of conventional practice and are ready to do what it takes to learn the necessary tools to start to successfully bridge spirit with form and build the most beautiful homes, communities, and sanctuaries for divinely matched clients while attracting overflows of abundance into your design practice. So if you're interested, click the button below to learn more about the Sacred Blueprint certification program. This is more than just a certification program. This is a community, a worldwide, global network that we are birthing as priestess architects, and we are birthing the temples of our future through this cutting edge, powerful vessel. Another program that I want you to check out is the VIP retreat at the ancient city of Ephesus. The ancient city is located in Turkey, and we hold an intimate, powerful container of women architects and landscape architects for a beautiful in-person retreat where you get to tap the sacred architecture of this power place. It is one of the biggest power places in the world, and we come together in sacred circle to unleash our intuitive powers and co-create with the goddess of the lands. So if this resonates with you, check out all the program details by scrolling down under the courses and program section. You will find it there. So for aspiring or established property owners or land stewards who are ready to design and build their dream sanctuaries, whether it is a home, a garden, a community, a spiritual center, a temple, an eco resort, no matter what the project is, if you are ready to break free from the matrix and design a beautiful space, a beautiful place that is aligned with nature, aligned with the rhythms of nature, and create a space that is honoring your sovereignty, your freedom, your transformation, your abundance, your radiance, your wealth, your joy, then click the button below that pertains to you to book a discovery call with me. It is a free discovery call, and I will share more about how I can support you to design your optimal blueprint for your dream sanctuary. Another resource you can check out under the courses and programs section is the Sacred Blueprint Online Course 2.0. It is the upgraded and enhanced version of my original course, guiding property owners, land stewards through a revolutionary approach to property design that brings ease, creativity, flow, as well as laser precise downloads and transmissions of the exact blueprint that is aligned with the energetics of your property, of your land. It is a self-study course, and it is designed for a 9-week container, but you can do it on your own time. It is filled with videos and PDFs, step-by-step tutorials, visioning journeys, meditation journeys, And by the end of this 9-week course, you will have received the blueprint, the optimal blueprint for your dream sanctuary. So check out the course again under the courses and programs section. I am so excited to co-create with you. Here's to building the sacred blueprints for our new earth. And I am so delighted to have you in our community. All right, bye for now.